Welcome back, Death Toll Racing. This is the No Balls Car Show 2021 and the reveal of Secret Project towards the end. So this is going to be awesome. It's epic. It's really cool footage of some cars. Just going to kind of go by real quick. But here's my disclaimer. I had to delete all the audio from the beginning of this video. So I put some stock music on it. So if you don't want to listen to the stock music or you don't like the music I chose, there's not a lot available. Wait until you see Aquila with the mic and then turn the volume back on. But anyway, check it out. Here it goes. No Balls Car Show 2021 and the reveal of Secret Project getting given to its rightful owner. Alright, I'm gonna get her though. Don't worry, I'm gonna chase her around the car.
unplugged this thing and now it doesn't work anymore. For next year, I prefer non-sequential bills. So, car tag number 141, Les Stacy. Yeah, that's you. Woo! In his 1973 Plymouth Duster. Yay! Take it over there, right there. Maybe run into the Honda Pilot since they won't move their shit. Okay. But because you got first place, that means you get first pick of those trophies that I made. And by me, I mean, I laid them out and I said, Gavin, weld this here. Yeah, that's how we did it.
All right.
So go pick your trophy. That's for you, Les.
All right, sounds good.
Wear it with pride. Or don't wear it. That'd be weird. Everybody clap for Les. He puts up with my shit all the time. And just for the record, I didn't vote for anybody. This was totally out of my hands. You want to pose with me? Look at that. This is rusty.
They're good? Hey, Nat.
Yay! Good job, Les. Thank you.
Very much. Thank you much.
Okay. Yay! All right. After that is their last name is French Canadian, so it's going to end in a hard A, and I'm going to pronounce it absolutely incorrectly. So. Car number 129, Paul Chevalier, in a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Yay! Smokey and the Bandit. Woo-hoo. Trans Am. Where's my Trans Am guy? Come here, Trans Am guy. Paul. Yeah, that's you. That's you. And he's even wearing a Bandit shirt, so at least I didn't get my reference wrong. Okay. Tell me about your Bandit.
Well, it's 79 Trans Am. My son and I tore it all apart. It used to be brown. I took it all apart, repainted it black. It's got the original engine, transmission, a little bit built, but otherwise pretty stock. Put the new interior in and stuff. It's fun.
It's a really good looking car, and why did they paint everything brown in the 70s? Everything is brown in the late 70s. Horseshit green and root beer brown. It's awful. It's awful. So here's your $100. Yeah, that's right. Look at these suckers. They're so good. Go choose your trophy, man. Thank you. He says he remembers it from last year. Does that last year, which was 2019, because we skipped 2020? Does that mean that that he won before? Because we might have to disqualify him.
Yeah.
You won before? Yeah. Screw you, Paul. Get out. Car number 3, which is kind of a special award, I'll be completely honest. I didn't really plan to give this car award because I would have disqualified it based solely on the fact that I can't read his freaking handwriting. But that's why I'm not allowed to vote. So, luckily somebody came in to tell me who the winner of this 1963 Lincoln Continental black on black wicked beast of a car. It is Will Oakley. Will? Will. Come over here.
I don't have a car.
Come here. I got a special story for you. So Will doesn't actually know that he owns this car, but it's got air ride. Look at it, thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So Will doesn't actually know that he owns this car because this was a gift from, I'm gonna say, a group of friends. I'm gonna take 10%. I'm gonna take 10. Gavin's gonna take 20. Gavin's gonna take 20%. But Sammy and Dave are gonna take 70% of the gift giving of this 63 Lincoln Continental, black on black, murdered out, project, emphasis on project, of a car for you. And here's why. It's in writing because I would so screw this up. She used your full name, it says William. William, I have watched for almost a decade as you have selflessly given everything you have to anyone in need, expecting absolutely nothing in return. You lead others with an incredible sacrificial love for all and an undying loyalty to anyone who gets the privilege of knowing you. I have listened quietly for years as you described your dream car and how you'd never be able to have one, subtly taking notes and searching diligently. Just when I had given up hope of finding it, an opportunity presented itself for us to purchase an almost identical version of your dream car, and David and I knew instantly what we needed to do. It was time someone gave back to the most giving and selfless Sasquatch of a man, I added Sasquatch, that ever lived. William Herschel Oakley III. Wow, that's a lot of name. You are my best friend, and I do not know what I did to deserve that, but I am grateful forever for the gift that you and your entire family are in my life. You are so very loved, big brother. Now get to cruising. That's yours. Look at that thing. There's gonna be some hugs. Not for me, because I don't do hugs. Also, I'm speaking for Sam because she has a little social anxiety, so I hope you all go and hug her later. Tell her how awesome she is. Make her feel really uncomfortable. That would be awesome for me. Yay! How cool is that, you guys? Can we get a round of applause? Will really is a great guy. Ah, fuck. Jesus. He was tight and everything.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Also, Will, you don't get a trophy.
I don't want to.
Drool over there. I'm gonna pause for like 4 seconds. Just so everybody can really absorb the moment. They can all go over there and snuggle each other. Whatever weird shit's gonna happen. I don't know. I got left over here. I got like 100.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let's watch Will drive away in his new car. That was so much fun to be a part of. I didn't realize how much I would enjoy doing that type of a thing. And you are going to be seeing a lot of that car here in the near future. First upgrade we're going to be doing to is swapping out the fuel tank. It does have an EFI engine in it, and we are going to be putting an aluminum fuel tank in that car. It's a bolt-in tank, so we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned for that. We also have a lot of safari videos and a lot of tracker videos going to be coming out soon, as well as a special guest who's on his way here as we speak. So thanks for watching. We're going to see you again really soon.